All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Ford Focus SE model with 37,000 miles. Now this car it is a salvage vehicle. Does have, as you can see, collision damage. Needs a light, needs a quarter pull. Take a look at it down here. Your trunk lid seems to be good. Got a little bit of damage right here in this corner. Pow. All right. And of course you need the pull, but in here doesn't look that bad. Just a little bit of wrinkling right here. Other than that, as you can see, that's in there. That part that I showed in there is coming from there. Other than that, this thing is actually pretty good. I know it's cut off over there a little piece, but I think that's the way it goes. All right. Your impact looks pretty decent. Here you got a little bit of buckling. All right. Your door here has got a hit. Boom. Got a little dent here in this quarter. I mean, you're already doing this quarter. So if you're fixing this quarter, definitely fixing the door, but you don't have to go into these other two panels there. Inside, the car is clean. No holes, no tears, no rips on the rear passenger seats. No holes, no tears, no rips on the front passenger seat. Front driver's seat. All right, let me jump into this car. Turn it on for you guys. It does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals still wrapped up in its package. Turn this car on. All right, you got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera, which obviously right now is looking to the sky. Got your AC controls right down below. All right. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Boom, boom. Got your miles of 37,336. You need some windshield washer fluid. 37,736 is the mileage on this. Steering wheel controls. Let me turn on the lights so you guys can see that they work. All right. Other than that, you're missing a fog light cover, a fog cover. Like this one, no fog lights. Lights are obviously working, so you don't have to spend the $400 or $500 each light. All right, your rim looks good. I'll do a tire pressure test just to tire thread, just so you can see it. All right, tire thread is about 530 seconds. Let me double check it. That's right. This door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. This rear door looks good. From the other side, the rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. From rear passenger rim, no curbing on this. Tire thread here is 830 seconds. See your lights back here, they're semi-working. Rear driver side rim, no curbing. Tire thread is at 630 seconds. Your front front driver's rim looks good. A little bit of check out your tire thread, and that is at 530 seconds as well. Car looks good, folks.